the one who sent the question wants to remain anonymous. He says, I'm only starting to know you now. Where have you been all along? Okay, he's not the first person to ask this question. And my answer is, you have been dancing to my guitar lines for the past 3 decades without knowing that it's me behind the guitar, because I'm featured on more than 1,000 albums, and I've already demonstrated some of the guitar lines. Veswana Pisarema, Wanafungisai, Oliver Mtukudzi, Japreza, Elias Msakwa, Somanda Ndebele, Mafrik, Derek Mpofu, Mbeu, Togi Vibes, people who work behind the scenes like me. We don't get very popular, we are not seen, and usually when people talk of music, when they talk of artists, they always speak of the ones about my microphone chat. So it's now that we have social media that I'm now able to post my own videos and interact with my fans the way I'm doing now. That's why you are now able to notice me. But I also had my own small number of fans who have been following me all these years. A small number so I would like to pay tribute to these people. You want to see me say, keep going on, Gigi. You need people like that. Even Nyangwagata 2, Nyangwagata 3, but you need people like that. So the first person is a young man called Diamond Sabwe. Yeah, that young man has been supporting me kupera kudara kari kamwana kechikoro achidzidza paLord Melvin ku Waterfalls. He used to pass by a place Pandaigara ndopatairidza futi. So all this time he has been supporting, achitumira matsamba before kwane social media, achingosimbisa anonzi Diamond Daliso Sabwe. I don't know kanda gona pronounce. Then another person is Apostle Joe Kuti from Zayoja. He's somebody futi who has been following my career kubvira kudhara. Chiti tikasangana even after 4 or 5 years vanotanga kuzoti okay, I know kuti wakamboreza uko ukazobuda ukazonatidzana ningi ukazonita zvakati ukamboenda kuUK ukadzoka ukaenda kuStates ukadzoka vanenge vaine data rese from the head chaunazo kuti munhu has been following mamisins tongotarisirwa pasika, but is one person who taito kuvhizitira utoshamiswa kuti tatsikwa ne-this level remafundisi post yake kauchechi kwake is somebody is very big wana kuti haungomuone pese pese, but echikomba kumamisins ngekuti ndangoti ngokuvhizitira ine asina charoda kukumbira, asina charoda kuti muitire, angokuvhizitira, so you know how you just feel kuti uri kudiwa. Then another person futi is another man of God futi anonzi Apostle Samuel Manyika. Guitar ndakatobata ndowakatondipa 1998. This was my first personal guitar, so this guitar is very important to me. And this guitar feature on thousands of songs and thousands of albums. It's national treasure. In fact, I call it national guitar because guitar raridza pakawandisa indakaripiwa now Apostle Samuel Manyika. So I hope I answered your questions very well. Remember, on Friday the 15th of September it's my 53rd birthday, and I'm inviting everybody to come to Nakiri to celebrate. It's going to be a festival, because my band are way up our wanda. The second post I'm on my mind. So thank you very much for the questions. I enjoyed answering them.
Alliance Francaise, in conjunction with Monolio Studios, presents Mona Mukundu's 53rd birthday bash and the release of the album Mona Sophie. The venue is Alliance Francaise, number 328 Hepechitepo Avenue, on Friday, the 15th of September from 6 p.m. Admission is $5 only. Entertainment from Mona Mukundu and fellow musicians. See you there.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.